Good morning. Today, Diamond Princess is docked at the beautiful Aomori in Japan. It was too windy to vlog outside. Trust me, watch this. I told you, right? And I'm currently at the Tourist Information Center at the corner of the building, away from everybody, because I'm too afraid to vlog with people around, right? So today's plan is very simple: food and coffee, okay? Upload a video and then go back to the ship because I'm performing again tonight. I have two shows, 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. This is my second show, which will be the close-up show. My friend Kate introduced me to eat the Aomori Nokkedon, which is basically a bowl of rice with sliced fish and raw sliced fish and seafood all around. Apparently it's going to be amazing, so I can't wait. It's located at a fish market, which we'll go right now. It looks cool as a shot, but it's very stupid for me to leave the camera, walk past it, come back and grab it again. So my friend Kate, he sent me a photo maybe a month ago about this place in Aomori, and I'm trying to find it on my phone. But we have so much chat going on, it's impossible. See that? I'm here. Let's go! Trust me, you have no clue how good that was until you try it. If you are ever in Aomori, you must come to this place, right here, to try the best Nokkedon. Nokkedon simply means to like toppings for your rice, and you just get a whole selection of toppings, and you can choose whatever you want. You can buy more tickets, which I did. I bought like 4 more tickets. It's 2,000 yen, which will include rice, which you can choose a big portion of rice or a small portion of rice. You just go around the different stalls and, ask for different foods and just point to them. It's amazing. My mind is so blown right now. It's just so good. Now, time for some coffee. I need to find a place to upload my video as well. Okay, enough talking. Let's go. So I'm now going to head back to the ship because I got a show, got to prepare. Tech run is at 5 o'clock, so let's go. Another fancy way of doing it is this. Yeah. We can do this two ways, with applause or without applause. Just kidding. There is a name for this. Do you know what is it called? There's a name for this. This move, there's a name for this. Do you know what is it called? It's called showing off. All the cards turn one way, each and every single one of them. All except for one card. And that is, of course, the two of hearts. Thank you! 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King of Diamonds. Thank you very much.